This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your carrier and plan enable Wi-Fi calling. This matters because the phone still needs carrier authorization. Once done, make sure your Vivo runs the latest Android security updates and the SIM is active. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, preferably 4 GHz or reliable 5 GHz. After the Wi-Fi is live, open Settings and go to SIM and Network, so you can continue directly into enabling Wi-Fi calling without unnecessary steps. You now enable the feature. Open Settings, choose SIM and Network, then select Wi-Fi calling. Toggle it on. When prompted, set preferences such as Wi-Fi preferred or cellular preferred so calls use Wi-Fi when available. Enter or confirm your emergency address. This is required for 911 dispatch accuracy and won't affect regular calling. Make sure permissions for phone and location are granted to the dialer app. Once configured, the phone may request a quick restart to register settings with your carrier. You finish by verifying the Wi-Fi calling icon appears in the status bar and during calls. That confirms registration with your carrier. Place a short test call to check audio quality and call stability. If it drops or shows cellular instead, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, then reboot. If problems persist, update carrier settings, check APN if required, or reset network settings. One key troubleshooting tip: test another Wi-Fi network to isolate router or ISP issues before deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.